come with me to pack a bookish order for Leslie. She ordered these magnetic bookmarks. I haven't promoted these because I only have a few left on my shop, but they're double-sided, and she really went with the ghost theme. She got this books bookmark, this floral books bookmark, and then she got this book travert bookmark. So I'm going to package this all up and make sure it's all protected and get this out today. Sticker order. The sticker says manifest your own destiny. It doesn't sell very well, but I'm always grateful when someone orders it because I have so many left in stock. I think it's cute. I mean, I did design it, so of course I like it, but hopefully more people see this and like it. So I packaged my sticker orders in envelopes. I have these cute little envelopes here. I'm going to show you how I package them through USPS letter mail. So it's only 69 cents to send them out. So we have our envelope here. I have printed them off using my label maker. And now I take the sticker, I take a little label sheet, a backing card for added protection, take one of these are actually the backing cards. I take one of these to attach the sticker to so that it's protected and it doesn't bend as easily. And then I sandwich it in between my postcard. So what I'd like to do, and I've never gotten a negative review or order from this. People always say this stuff is packaged really well. So I use a piece of double-sided tape and I attach the sticker like this so it doesn't move during transit. And then I use this on the front, and then I take the packaging slip and I go like this. So both sides, you can't see what's inside of it. And then I slide it in here, close the envelope up, and then to make sure it's really secure, I add this label that I made using the same label printer, just so it doesn't come apart. And then now all you have to do is add your label on the front. With Etsy, I'll show you the label. You print these in the app. This is the first class letter mail option, 69 cents. So it's the price of one stamp. And this has basic tracking. It's not perfect. So I put in my listings that it's not super reliable because it is letter mail. But this is what it looks like, and you can send this as a basic letter mail. Your letter, you need to make sure that it weighs the correct amount. You should do this before you print off the label. So I use my shipping scale. I'll have this linked in my Amazon storefront. This is 0.6 ounces. So if it's under 1 ounce, it'll only be 69 cents. So make sure you double check this before you ship it out. Now we're packing our order for Leslie. So she ordered three magnetic bookmarks. I'm gonna protect them in this pouch here. And then she ordered these 3 bookmarks. So I'm gonna sandwich the bookmarks in between these. They're just cardboard, chipboard cutouts, the same size as the bookmarks. And I'm gonna put it in the same package since it fits. And because Leslie is a return customer, I'm gonna give her this for free, just to say thank you. So now we have our package, and I'm gonna use 2 mailers just because I want to be safe. Actually, since it's protected with the chipboard, it should be fine. I'm gonna use my original mailer. So we have it all in here. Now all I have to do is weigh it. 2.5 ounces. Just grab your label. I wrote a cute note just thanking her for her order because this is her second order. And we are done. Thank you so much for your order, Leslie.